Die castings typically require few, if any, finish machining operations to achieve specifications. Powdered metal products and precision stamping are similar in this respect. Other alternative processes usually require more. Machining after die casting is employed when extremely close tolerances are specified or to generate features that cannot be formed by the die casting process. Most of the commonly available die casting alloys are easier to machine than low carbon steel. The full range of magnesium die casting alloys have excellent machinability. Zinc and zinc aluminum alloy die castings have very good machinability, with some decrease as aluminum increases in these alloys. Aluminum die casting alloys have good machinability, but do not have some variability in machinability across the available alloy range. Die-castable copper alloys have a wide range of machinability. Copper alloys 875, 858, 997, and 997.5 have good machinability. Alloy 878 has medium machinability, and alloy 865 has the lowest machinability. However, alloys 878 and 865 may be machined to high quality level with carbide cutters and appropriate cutting oil. Machinability of any material can be affected by the many variables of a wide range of machining process. However, the die casting machinability chart available via the link on this page was developed as a general guide to the machinability of die casting alloys.